Here's something pretty interesting for anyone who loves making things. The H2D desktop printer isn't just a regular 3D printer. It's more like an all-in-one creative machine. It can print with two materials at the same time, laser engrave designs on both flat and curved surfaces, cut through materials like wood and leather, and even draw in color directly onto your creations. What makes it stand out is how much it can do without taking over your entire workspace. It's designed for people who already have some experience with 3D printing, so it's not really aimed at beginners. But for makers who want to level up, it opens up a lot of possibilities in one compact setup. You can use it to create everything from detailed sculptures to custom shoes, cosplay gear, and even bicycle accessories. That said, some things, like safety gear, are probably better left to professional-grade testing rather than home printing. The machine comes with dual nozzles, which means you can print in two different materials or colors at once. It's also fast, reaching speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, and offers a generous build space. On top of that, it supports stronger materials like carbon fiber and glass fiber reinforced filaments, which is great for more durable projects. For precision work, there's a vision-based alignment system that helps keep everything accurate, especially when you're laser cutting or engraving. Since those features generate heat, the printer includes safety measures like laser-safe windows, flame sensors, and even an AI-powered camera that can detect fire risks. There's also an optional CO2 fire extinguisher for extra peace of mind. Inside, it uses a custom brushless servo motor in the extruder to detect clogs and prevent filament issues, helping your prints come out clean and smooth. Another AI-powered camera keeps a close watch on the nozzle to catch any problems early. The added cutting and drawing tools make it especially useful for things like vinyl work, custom stickers, or technical designs. And thanks to smart features like automatic calibration and a bird's-eye camera that helps arrange your designs efficiently, you waste less material while getting consistent results. As for pricing, the base version without laser features starts at $1,899 and is expected to ship in June. If you want the upgraded material system that also handles filament drying, it goes up to $2,199. The laser-enabled versions are already available, with the 10-watt model priced at $2,799 and the more powerful 40-watt version at $3,499. Overall, it's a powerful tool for creators who want multiple capabilities in one machine, especially if you're ready to go beyond basic 3D printing.